Xbox One Xbox One S today, and I've already checked and made sure it powers up. So really, all we have to deal with on this one, hopefully, is this here broken HDMI port. And I guess I could show you that. Yep, the HDMI, I imagine it would kind of work, but the HDMI cord doesn't really stay in with that broken shield around it. So we will replace it, but first we must disassemble and go from there. Okay, we can get a better look at this bad boy. Yep, he's a little bit dorked up. We will pull him and make sure I've got some. I'm pretty sure I do. Oh yeah, got plenty. There's several containers of those, right? Yep. Piles of one. One X. I don't get 1S's that much. I have plenty though. Alright, let's make sure we're working on the right one. And let's start flooding stuff with my favorite stuff, low melts. And I'm saying that just to troll Phil. Let's get started. Okay, that fell out pretty good. Look. I don't think we pulled any pads, but only one way to be sure. Nah, looks good. No pulled pads. Clean up a bit. Get that black gunk off there before it becomes hard. And let's continue. Alright, let's take one last look. I could use a little more cleaning in there. There's a little bit of flux between those pins. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm looking pretty good here. Got good feed through on the anchors. That's good. All right. See if I can get you focused in a little better. No bridges. Looks good. I think we're ready for a test. We will reassemble and go from there. Okay, let's see what we got here. See if we have function. Okay, it is powering up. Let's see what we got on the HDMI capture. Sure I'm on TV out. I am. And it appears we still do not have video. So yeah, we still do not have video. I'll give it a second more, but that would be a probable redriver issue. Yeah, I'm pretty well convinced we may have a redriver issue. Let me just make sure all my connections are good. Okay, all connections are good. Yeah, no video output. Okay, looks like we gotta do a redriver too. We will disassemble and prep for that. Okay, after further review, I went ahead and pulled the drive and ran a test on it, and once HDD Sentinel finally loaded it, it took a long time. Strangely, it passed smart test on Partition Magic, but I tried it in HDD Sentinel Pro, and it came up like with, once it finally came up, it came up with 9% health. So I think that no video might be the drive. The only thing I can really do is put it back together, take it back to the client and have them put a new drive in. This is a business to business thing, so they usually handle that. So I will put it back together and let them deal with the drive and then report back. Okay, so update on the Xbox. Everything worked out good. It turned out to be the hard drive that was causing the no video output. So good to go. If you have any question about the equipment I use in these videos, it should all be down in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.